Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. I am Ben. I am from the United States. Today the episode is about choosing a hotel. This episode will help you speak about hotels. I will use simple words and short sentences. You can listen and repeat. You can practice with me. Choosing a hotel is an important step in travel. A good hotel can make your trip easy and fun. A bad hotel can make your trip hard. I will show what to look for. I will give words and sentences. I will give examples for a check-in and for asking questions. I will also give phone and online phrases. You can pause and repeat. You can say each sentence out loud. First, think about the location. Is the hotel near the place you will visit? Is it near the train station or bus stop? Is it close to restaurants? These are simple questions. You can ask the hotel this way. Where is the hotel located? Is it near the city center? Is it near the train station? How far is it from the airport? Repeat these lines. Second, think about price. What is the price per night? Does the price include taxes? Does the hotel charge a deposit? Is breakfast included? Are there extra fees for cleaning or for parking? Ask these questions. What is the price per night? Is breakfast included? Is parking free? Do you need to pay a deposit? Repeat after me. Third, read the reviews. Look at past guest reviews. Reviews show real experiences. Are the rooms clean? Is the staff friendly? Is the Wi-Fi good? Do guests like the breakfast? You can write simple review questions. Are the rooms clean? Is the Wi-Fi fast? Do guests like the breakfast? Pause the video and repeat one line. Fourth, check the room type. Do you need a single bed or a double bed? Do you want a suite? Do you want a room with a view? Do you need a non-smoking room? Do you need an accessible room? You can ask for a room on a high floor. You can ask for a room near the elevator. Simple lines to ask. I would like a double room. I need a non-smoking room. I need a room with a king bed. Repeat after me. Fifth, check the hotel services. Is there breakfast and what time is it? Is there a gym and pool? Is there laundry service? Is there a shuttle to the airport? Is there 24-hour reception? Do they have luggage storage? Simple questions. What time is breakfast? Is there a shuttle to the airport? Do you offer laundry service? Repeat these lines. Sixth, check policies. What is the check-in time? What is the check-out time? Can you check in early? Can you check out late? What is the cancellation policy? Do they give a refund? What documents do you need to check in? Do you need a passport or an ID? Simple lines. What time is check-in? What time is check-out? Can I have a late checkout? What is your cancellation policy? Repeat after me. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen and repeat when I ask you to. This is a short monologue conversation for check-in. You will hear the guest and the receptionist. You can pause and repeat any line. Guest, hello, my name is Maria. I have a reservation. Receptionist, welcome to Sunrise Hotel. May I see your passport, please? Guest, yes, here it is. My reservation is under Maria Lopez. Receptionist, thank you, Ms. Lopez. I see your reservation. You have a double room for 3 nights. Guest, yes, that is right. What time is breakfast? Receptionist, breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the dining room on the first floor. Guest, good. Is Wi-Fi free? Receptionist, yes, Wi-Fi is free. The network name is Sunrise Guest. The password is Welcome 202. Guest, thank you. What time is checkout? Receptionist, checkout is at 11 a.m. If you need a late checkout, ask the desk the night before. Guest, okay. Can I have a wake-up call at 7 a.m.? Receptionist, yes, we can do that. Do you need help with luggage? Guest, no, I can carry my bags. Thank you. Receptionist, here is your room key. Your room is on the 3rd floor. The elevator is to the left. Guest, thank you very much. Receptionist, enjoy your stay with us. Now pause the video and repeat the guest lines. Pause the video and repeat the receptionist lines. Repeat each line twice. Now I will give another example. This time on the phone. Use this for booking a room by phone. Listen and repeat when you hear me ask you to. Caller, hello, I would like to book a room. Hotel, hello, thank you for calling Sunrise Hotel. When would you like to stay with us? Caller, I want to stay from June 1st to June 4th. Hotel, how many guests will stay? Caller, 2 adults and 1 child. Hotel, would you like a single bed or double bed? Caller, a double bed please. Is breakfast included? Hotel, yes, breakfast is included for 2 adults. For the child, breakfast is free. Caller, what is the price per night? Hotel, the price is $120 per night. Taxes are extra. Caller, do you need a credit card to hold the reservation? Hotel, yes, we need a credit card number. We do not charge the card now. We only hold the room. Caller, okay. My name is John Smith. The card number is 444444444444444. Hotel, thank you, Mr. Smith. Your reservation is confirmed. You will receive an email confirmation. Caller, thank you very much. Goodbye. Repeat after me. I would like to book a room. I want to stay from June 1st to June 4th. We need a double bed. Is breakfast included? What is the price per night? Do you need a credit card to hold the reservation? Pause and repeat each line. Now a quick practice for asking about amenities at the front desk. I will give short lines. Repeat after me. Do you have free parking? Is parking safe? Do you have a pool? Does the pool open at 8 a.m.? Is the gym open all day? Do you have a business center? Can I print my boarding pass? Do you offer breakfast in the room? Do you have a family room? Is the hotel pet friendly? Repeat. Now a practice for asking for help with problems in the room. These lines are useful if you need something during your stay. Excuse me, the air conditioner is not working. The room is too cold. The room is too hot. The shower water is not hot. The TV will not turn on. There is no hot water. The bed is not clean. I need extra towels. My key does not work. The Wi-Fi is slow. I cannot connect to the Wi-Fi. Please send someone to help. Repeat after me. Excuse me, the air conditioner is not working. Please bring extra towels. My key does not work. I cannot connect to the Wi-Fi. In the middle of the conversation, you can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Now pause the video and repeat one sentence that you choose from the last group. Now I will show a simple upgrade request. Use these lines to ask for a better room. Keep the language polite and clear. Guest, hello, is it possible to get a room with a view? Receptionist, let me check. We have a room with a city view for an extra $20 per night. Guest, how much is the upgrade? Receptionist, the upgrade is $20 per night. Guest, I will take the upgrade please. Receptionist, done. Your new room has a view. Enjoy. Repeat after me. Is it possible to get a room with a view? How much is the upgrade? I will take the upgrade please. Now a simple line for asking about late checkout. Guest, hi, can I have a late checkout? Receptionist, what time would you like to check out? Guest, I need to check out at 3 p.m. Receptionist, we can do that for a fee of $20. Guest, okay, I will pay $20. Receptionist, late checkout is confirmed. Repeat. Can I have a late checkout? I need to check out at 3 p.m. We can do that for a fee. Now I will give phrases for online booking. These are short and clear lines. I want a room for 2 nights. I need 1 double bed. I want breakfast included. I will pay with a credit card. I need free cancellation. Is the price final? What is the total cost? Do you offer free Wi-Fi? Is there a safe in the room? Repeat after me. Now some polite phrases for making a complaint. Always be calm and polite. Use simple sentences. Guest, excuse me, I have a problem. Receptionist, I am sorry. What is the problem? Guest, the room is noisy at night. Receptionist, I am very sorry. We will move you to another room. Guest, thank you. I appreciate your help. Receptionist, please accept our apologies. Repeat the polite lines. Excuse me, I have a problem. I am sorry. We will move you to another room. Now I will teach useful vocabulary with short definitions and example sentences. Repeat each item. Reservation. A booking for a room. Example sentence. I have a reservation under the name Lee. Repeat. Check-in. The time you arrive and register at the hotel. Example sentence. Check-in is at 3 p.m. Repeat. Check-out. The time you leave the hotel. Example sentence. Check-out is at 11 a.m. Repeat. Double room. A room for 2 people with 1 or 2 beds. Example sentence. I booked a double room. Repeat. Single room. A room for 1 person. Example sentence. I need a single room. Repeat. Suite. A large room with separate living space. Example sentence. The suite has a living room and a bedroom. Repeat. Breakfast included. Breakfast is part of the price. Example sentence. My price has breakfast included. Repeat. Deposit. Money the hotel holds to guarantee the booking. Example sentence. The hotel asks for a deposit. Repeat. Cancellation policy. The rules to cancel the reservation. Example sentence. Check the cancellation policy before you pay. Repeat. ID or passport. A document to show your identity. Example sentence. Please show your passport at check-in. Repeat. Wi-Fi. Internet access at the hotel. Example sentence. Is Wi-Fi free in the room? Repeat. Now a few tips for safety and comfort. Keep simple and clear. Bring a copy of the reservation. Keep your passport in a safe place. Lock the door when you are in the room. Use the safe for important items. Do not leave valuables in plain view. Ask the front desk for a taxi if you do not know the area. Check the emergency exit plan in the room. Repeat these tips. Bring a copy of the reservation. Keep your passport in a safe place. Lock the door when you are in the room. Now practice longer role play. I will act as both guest and receptionist. Speak with me. Repeat each guest line out loud. Guest, hello, I have a reservation for 2 nights. The name is Anna Carter. Receptionist, welcome Ms. Carter. We are happy to have you. May I see your ID? Guest, here is my passport. I need help with my bags. Receptionist, our bell person will help you. Do you need a non-smoking room? Guest, yes, non-smoking please. Is breakfast included? Receptionist, yes, breakfast is included. It is served from 6:30 am to 10 am. Guest, great. Is there parking near the hotel? Receptionist, yes, we have parking for guests. The cost is $10 per day. Guest, thank you. Where is the elevator? Receptionist, the elevator is to the right of the lobby. Your room is on the 5th floor. Guest, perfect. I will head to my room now. Receptionist, have a nice day, Ms. Carter. Repeat each guest line. Hello, I have a reservation for 2 nights. The name is Anna Carter. Here is my passport. I need help with my bags. Yes, non-smoking please. Is breakfast included? Great. Is there parking near the hotel? Thank you. Where is the elevator? I will head to my room now. You can pause the video and act out the whole role play with me. Try both roles. Try to be the guest. Try to be the receptionist. This helps your speaking and listening. Pause the video and practice now for 2 minutes. Now a short list of questions to ask the hotel in 1 minute. You can read and repeat each line. Where is the hotel located? What time is check-in? What time is check-out? Is breakfast included? Is Wi-Fi free? Is there parking? Can I have an extra bed? Do you have a baby crib? Is the room quiet? Can I smoke on the balcony? Do you have a laundry service? What is your cancellation policy? Repeat the list. Where is the hotel located? What time is check-in? What time is check-out? Is breakfast included? Now a final practice set for polite closings. These lines are for the end of your stay or a help call. Guest, thank you for your help. Receptionist, you are welcome. Have a safe trip. Guest, I will leave my bags after checkout. Can I pick them up in the afternoon? Receptionist, yes, we can store your bags until 5 p.m. Guest, thank you for a good stay. Receptionist, thank you for staying with us. We hope to see you again. Repeat. Thank you for your help. You are welcome. Have a safe trip. Thank you for a good stay. That is many phrases and examples. Now a short recap. Choosing a hotel means you check location, price, room type, services, and policies. Ask clear questions at the time of booking. Keep your documents and be polite. Use the sample lines in this lesson to practice. Now I will give one final long example. Listen and follow. This is a full check-in and short question time. Guest, hello, good afternoon. I have a reservation. The name is David Miller. Receptionist, good afternoon, Mr. Miller. Welcome to Ocean View Hotel. May I see your passport and a credit card? Guest, yes, here is my passport and my card. Receptionist, thank you. Your room is a double bed on the 4th floor. Breakfast is included. Checkout is at 11 a.m. Guest, is there a gym in the hotel? Receptionist, yes, we have a gym and a pool on the top floor. The gym is open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Guest, is there free Wi-Fi in the room? Receptionist, yes, Wi-Fi is free for guests. The code is on the card in your room. Guest, do you have a safe in the room? Receptionist, yes, there is a safe. If you need help, we can show you. Guest, thank you. One more question. Can I leave my bags at the desk after I check out? Receptionist, yes, we can store your bags until you leave for the airport. Guest, great. Thank you very much. Receptionist, enjoy your stay, Mr. Miller. Repeat the guest lines and the receptionist lines. Pause the video and practice now. Say each sentence out loud. Try different voices. Try a polite and calm tone. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time. Ben out. See you next time. Goodbye and good luck with your English and with your travels.